This is Mark in for Des with the Broad Market Review for March 18th, 2013. Well, it was a slightly bearish day on Wall Street, a little bit of a pullback as expected. Here are the numbers. The S&P was down 0.55. The Dow Jones was down 0.43. The NASDAQ was down just 0.35, and the small caps were down 0.55. So the S&P and the small caps led the way down today. And actually, look at that. The tech stocks were not down as far as the others, lagging. Why? Well, part of it was because Apple was up over 2% today, and that's one of the larger components. How about the bank? It did more than confirm, didn't it? It actually led the way down today, so that's a bearish sign. And then look at this, 18% increase in the volatility. Wow, now that is bearish. And then gold was up as well as silver, and the oil was up just slightly. It was bouncing around all the way today. And the dollar was up very, very strongly today, which would actually confirm the fact that we were down. And for you Grok traders out there, 1.71 was the trend. All right, let's take a look at the S&P 500 daily here, and look at that, pulled back right on schedule. And we had ourselves a hanging man there, and sure enough, it pulled down right here to the 11 EMA. Didn't close near the lows of the day, and but did pull back down mid-afternoon. Let's take a look at the Dow. Yep, sure enough, that beautiful run up, and now, of course, a little bit of a pullback. But look at that. And it only came down to the 8 EMA. Didn't even make it to the 11. But what's interesting is about the NASDAQ. We were talking about the fact that it pulled down and pulled right up. Interesting, it pulled down way below that 11, but then pulled all the way back up. So this was a little bit more of a bullish candle than the others. And the small caps also ran up and pulled back right here to the 8 EMA. So it's a little bit of general pullback here. We'll see what happens tomorrow. And boy, look at that VIX. I mean, that's unbelievable. It was down here in the 11 range, and then boom, over 2 points, jumped up. It just wanted to snap down. This is an exceptionally low range. We are below 12 there. And let's take a look at our Apple. For those playing the Apple, sure enough, here we are, our wedge play. And it bounced above, as Des said. It broke it. He said this is a very bullish move. But the markets did not confirm that today. But boy, it sure did take off for a good 2.7% on Apple. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat. So just remember that we trade what we see, not what we think. Trade well.